Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use Preference Center instead of unsubscribe or the default unsubscribe here in Omnisend, right? So first up, let's go ahead and create a Preference Center under our store setting right here. Click on it. Now go ahead and go to Preference Management. Click on it. And then here you can go ahead and add in as many fields as you want. Be a phone right here. Make it required if you want to. Okay, and just hit on Update and Save. All right, and once that's done, you can close this one. And actually, you can go to Language and Translation right here. And you can go ahead and edit the unsubscribe text or the edit preferences text. Okay, so go ahead and edit it just by just using the pencil icon right here. Change the word. Okay, and once that's done, go ahead and go back to your campaigns. Maybe let's go ahead and create a new campaign. Just a simple email campaign. All right, let's wait for it to load. Add in your subject line like so, and just choose a template. All right, maybe I'm gonna go ahead and choose this one. Use template. Now, once you have your template open, you can go ahead and scroll all the way down. All right, and in here, as you can see, by default, edit preferences or unsubscribe is already added. So what you can do is just click on this block. Okay. Now let's go ahead and double click on it and select Edit Preferences, okay? Make sure that Edit Preferences is selected, and if there's an unlink option right here, that means your preferences is already linked, okay? Unsubscribe right here, it should be linked as well. So let's just go ahead and test it out. Now let's go ahead and scroll all the way down and click on Edit Preferences. There you go. It's been landed to Contact Preferences Preview. That's it. When you click on unsubscribe right here, preview as well. All right, and that's basically it. But if you want to add in your own, maybe you'd like to add in a button right here. Let's say edit preference button. Okay, add in an element, add in a button, maybe right here at the top left. Now edit the text, edit preferences, like so, and then click on it once more, link to, click on this icon. Now go and find preferences. Okay, as you can see here, we have the preference link or center link. Click on it, and once done, you can go ahead and tap away, preview and test. And here you have the button. We should be landed to the contact preferences preview as well. Since we are just testing, well, it will be under preview, but if it's actually live, you'll be landed to the Preference Center. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.